Hey guys, this is Jason. Welcome back to my class. In this section, I will show you how to export quotation. So let's get into our design tool. So after we finish all the design part, we need to export the quotation, right? So we can find in here, click Export Bill of Material. So you can see we have some options in here. So if you want to choose the product only in enterprise catalog, you can choose here. And if you want all these products, which include the public library and your enterprise catalog, you can choose with the second one. And also you can choose the currency as you want. Okay. And after you're done with these settings, you can click confirm. And just wait a minute, you can see the process. So when it's done, you will see there is a red button here and click it. So, and you can open this one. Find the bill of materials. So you can see these are the order list for the furnitures with different products with its name, dimension, quantity, and its unit price, okay? So that's the part of quotation exportation. And let's just go back to our class. We have a small assignment for you guys. You need to export detailed cost, which include all of these design elements and materials, okay?